Hey everybody, it's me Ryan from LivingOnehanded.com. Yeah, I'm standing out here in Wisconsin in a snowstorm in a sweatshirt and my hat, and I'm doing it all with one hand. So this is what it's like one-handed here in Wisconsin when it's snowing. You can hear the crunch of snow under my feet. Hear that? Yeah, this is awesome. This is living right here, everybody. Wisconsin, one-handed. Do it up. Anyway, this was just a short one to show you the snow. Hope you like it. As usual, head over to livingonehanded.com, youtube.com/livingonehanded, facebook.com/livingonehanded. Until next time, keep it one-handed. See ya.